What you doing? Hi there. Are you relaxing in the bee tree? Huh? He's a good boy. Oh, look at them teefies. We're experimenting with green stalks, and these are the deeper ones, 5-tier. Mostly we have like broccoli in the bottom. That's kind of rough. Starts that I had begun, and then the birds got to them. Not sure if they'll make it or not, but we're going to try it. Then there's a lot of flowers like gazania and snapdragon, calendula, and some stock. And I've got a rat's tail radish in here. So we'll see how they like it. It's really cool. You can tell it's still dripping from the top. Really, the water, I might need to add a little bit more soil. But you put the water in on the top and it just drips through down through the tiers. And then I also got one that was more shallow that is a 7-tier. And I'm going to maybe plant some lettuce and things like that in it. We mostly have broccoli, collards maybe, I can't remember, minutina, and some stuff for the bees, of course, the lobelia, and then a little something for me. Pretty pansy. Hey everybody, Monica King here with King's Titan Homestead, and what you're about to see is a little visit that we paid to Boyce Thompson Arboretum up in Superior, Arizona. Oh my gosh, this place is like a fantasy land in the middle of Arizona. I was just astounded, turning corners and just going, ooh. The boojums are to die for. They just are amazing, and I think I did add when they were planted, but I think they're like getting close to 100 years old. It's just, wow. They had a remarkable collection of eucalyptus, but the big thing is that, you know, their feet are always wet because they're right on the edge of Queen Creek. So not something we can really reproduce in other areas. Just amazing. This was a book that we picked up to learn more about the gardens, because I mean, I think we maybe covered just a little bit over a third of the acreage, and there's a lot of paths we didn't even hit, and we needed to go home, so we were running out of time. But so this is a book that we got there that talks about the Wallace Desert Garden, and it's really interesting. The only issue I have with this is that I think they moved like 5,900 plants from Henry Wallace's estate up in Scottsdale, and there's hardly any of these mentioned. There's no like plant list. It's just a few, I mean, compared to what's there. And so I'm kind of not 5,800 plants. They moved 5,800 plants. A little frustrated with that, because I would have loved to have learned about some of the rarer varieties and things, and there's nothing about that. A lot of it is just common, like at the carrion plant. Almost everybody in Tucson has free carrion plant pups, you know, to give away. I mean, and that's in here. It's like, I'm a little disappointed in that. Even more, I wanted to know about the origins of the entire Arboretum itself. So we got putting down roots. Weird. I'm on like page 40 of this. Very weird. So the narrative is a saguaro named Gus Shortpants telling the story. And I'm like going, this is a book for adults. I'm just not, it's just weird. I'm like, I feel like I'm 6 years old reading this, and it's just kind of degrading. I like learning the history, but not impressed by the way it's being told. So I will finish reading that, maybe give a little bit more of a feedback. Just, yeah, I'm not 6. I don't need a saguaro telling me the history. That would have made a really unique, very cute kids book, not for adults. So with that being said, hope you enjoy the Arboretum photos. Enjoy. goes. I think it took the... Oh, it's an overhang. It's a cave house. It's so pretty in here.
From the early 1900s.
Look at the hail. Oh my goodness. Oh, so much hail. Wow, look at that hail. Oh. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends. All these archaeology books behind me and all the knickknacks above, you can find at King's Titan Homestead Etsy store to help support our channel and help buy all the things I need for doing bee removals and supporting the bees. All of this kind of stuff helps with that. So we got the holidays approaching, so go buy yourself something nice or something for a loved one. And you can also support our channel over at the Patreon website, King's Titan Homestead. Thanks for watching.